Client support. Structuring support. The growing number of AMS databases in use has raised the need for a more formal method to support clients. WhatsApp messages are simply not good enough to provide professional support and ensure that all queries are properly handled. Support function. A new support function has been created in AMS. This support request form is available on the Contacts page. Hover over and select Contact on the main menu. The form is designed to simplify and standardize support requests. Selections can be made from the drop-down lists of basic options. Select from the support type. Select from the relevant page or section. Select from the report number if applicable. Select the urgency. Title the request. What to provide. Description. Try and be specific, especially when reporting an error. The error must be reproduced before it can be fixed. Include such comments as: is the problem random or can it be repeated every time? Is the problem linked to a specific user, printer or computer? Is the problem linked to a specific item, i.e. work pack, aircraft, etc.? Is this a new error? Did it work before? What if any troubleshooting was carried out? How does it work? Document attachment. An option to attach a document is provided to illustrate the request better. This can be a screen capture or any other format relevant to the problem. Please provide only relevant information, as a 70-page document will not add much value. Personal information is not required, as this is automatically added to the support request. The support request will be logged on an AMS project board as a support task. This is a system that is used internally in Avdex. The advantage is that all staff have access to this board and more people are able to respond to the request. The request progress can be tracked and the possibility of tasks falling between the cracks is limited. A copy of the request will be emailed to the user for their records.